Hi, my name is Tabitha. Today I'm giving my review of this foot and leg stretching strap. So I received this for free in exchange for my review, so I'm gonna try it out for you guys today. Now this is supposed to be a universal size. It's super adjustable because of its straps. It has a strong Velcro. So far the material feels very durable and high quality. It's made out of nylon, and there's multiple strap loops to help customize your stretching experience. So let me get this put on and we'll try it out. So the process to get this on was super simple. The material feels very soft on my foot. Nothing on it is irritating, not even where the Velcro straps are. You can sit up and just simply pull your foot back, and that gives a nice deep stretch in the calf, and it's going to give some stretching in your foot. Or you can lay down and pull the entire leg, and that's going to start pulling into your hamstring while continuing to stretch your calf and your foot as well. And you can even bring your leg out and stretch other areas of the leg. Now you can also stretch your quadricep with this by putting your foot through the hole and strapping only the top around the leg. And then you can lay down and pull the strap over your shoulder, and that gives a nice stretch in your quad. So my thoughts are this product is really nice. It's going to be a wonderful addition to any kind of stretching routine for yoga, post-workouts, and it does wrap up to be quite compact. So it'd be easy to take to the gym with you, take with you if you're traveling, you name it. It's not going to take up much space whatsoever. So if you are in need of a stretching tool or something to relieve discomfort in your feet or your legs, I think this would be a really great choice, and I would definitely try it out.